In today's tutorial, we're going to be showing you exactly how to make James and Jessie, otherwise known as Team Rocket from Pokemon. You're going to need everything you see here. A complete list of items that you'll need for this tutorial can be found in the description of this video. Today's video is sponsored by Primary.com. As you can see, it doesn't have any logos on it, and you can find just about anything you need in any color you want. And let's get started.
Okay, I'm going to start with the boy who is James. So I'm just going to trim this up. We measured him from his shoulder to his belly button. He's about 9 inches. So I'm going to go 10 inches long just to give me room to glue the seam up underneath. And all I'm going to do is cut across, cut out a little triangle, and then hot glue everything over to make the edges look nice and clean. And now all we need to do is add a big red R, and then James's shirt will be finished. Okay, we're moving on to Jessie's shirt. So we're gonna cut hers a little smaller, and then to keep her warm while trick-or-treating, she'll still have a full black onesie on underneath. So I'll cut it at 9 inches to give me my extra room to glue. I'm gonna do the same exact thing that I did on the first one. Her V slit is a little higher up, so we'll make hers a little more prominent. Alright, we're just going to hot glue these on. For Jessie's costume, we're going to have long black sleeves come out under this shirt to act as her long gloves. For James's costume, he has more white showing on his sleeves, and then he has elbow length gloves. And since we aren't putting gloves on the babies, we're just going to take a pair of black socks. We're going to use these for their boots as well, so when you buy a pack, if you have extra, and just cut off the toe part of the socks, and they'll become like wrist cuffs on either side of James's costumes. Okay, James wears a purple belt, so we're just going to use some felt. Just measure and glue pieces together to the circumference or length of the belt that you need. For the belt, I'm just going to use a light purple square to be the middle part, and I'm just going to glue it over the seam so you don't see that. And then you can just attach it in the back on your child with Velcro or a safety pin or whatever you choose. There is the finished costume. We'll add the wigs. We chose to use socks instead of trying to find thigh-high boots. And that is it. That's all you need.